Hi everyone, we are here in Dusetani for the reveal of the 5 lucky winners of Cebu Pacific's Juan For Fun 2019.
Juan For Fun is Cebu Pacific's longest running program for the youth. Woo! This is our 8th year of enabling the next generation of travelers to make first moments happen and to go on one-of-a-kind experiences with their friends.
5 young teams, 1 week, and an opportunity to travel around the Philippines.
This year, the question we posed to the entire Philippines was, what makes the life story of your nominee amazing? And since it's the younger generation of travelers, we asked, what are they passionate about?
Juan For Fun is back at it again. For over 8 years, Cebu Pacific continues to shower young individuals the gift of travel. This year's Juan For Fun, Cebu Pacific makes the adventure more meaningful, as these young travelers will serve a greater purpose while seeing more of the country. With over 3,300 stories from inspiring millennials, only 5 were chosen to go in a backpacking trip in the search for a deeper appreciation of our country's culture and enrich their narratives to empower themselves and others as well. They are Daryl Vallas, an agriculture graduate who wants to promote farming to the youth; Binor Magangkong, a Marawi siege survivor who shares his story to foster peace and acceptance; Jerry Cabanillas, an artist who founded an NGO for underprivileged kids; Artus Enriquez, an avid bird watcher; and Jessica Resch, a founder of the We Feed program.
I'm expecting a lot of new places to discover, and also we have to grow ourselves during the travel. So maybe more on management skills na mo-grow siya, like time management, financial. So there's a lot to grow in with this adventure. So that's why I'm trying to have a great part body.
They will be mentored by various travel coaches like Joy Spring, Kulas Jennerman, Jude Bacalso, and the new coach to the growing family, Mikael Daes.
Why exactly do we travel? Okay, it's actually a really simple question to answer. For most people, it's exciting. For others, it's fun. For others nowadays, it's because they saw it on social media. They're like, oh my God, ang ganda doon, let's go there. Okay, it can be that simple. But once you travel, okay, once you do it, you grow.
With Cebu Pacific's goal to alleviate sustainable tourism, Juan For Fun sets the bar for other companies to spread awareness in various sectors of the community, especially to the youth.
Every year, we try to evaluate what would be the most relevant for the teams at that year, during that year. But I think what always remains would be the freedom that the teams would have when it comes to deciding where they want to go. And that experience, nga kanang mag-travel bitaw sila with their friends for the first time, for some of them, kay lahi ra gyud. That's what makes Juan For Fun such a one-of-a-kind experience, and that's what makes it special.
Indeed, it is a great opportunity for every wanderer to travel around the Philippines and experience a fun-filled adventure while pushing forward their advocacies. For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.